Because of the overwhelming support, may extend tayo.
Yeah! Lovely!
Ayala has decided for a few months to carry it on their second week. I also heard na sa mga opening films, tayo ang #1. No?
Taray! Lovely!
Siyempre, hindi na natin sa Demon Slayer. Pero kasi kami nag-open this week. So, nakaka-touch kasi, di ba? I mean, I always say this. Siguro parang, I always say I'm inspired by what you did for Sunshine, why you did Sunshine. But, di ba, like, it's one thing to already make Sunshine, but it was, because I was part of the marketing team, di ba? Because I just really love Tonette and what she represents and the work that she does. Pero kasi guys, iba yung level nung effort na ginawa nila Tonette for Sunshine to be seen, di ba? And yun yung nakaka-inspire sa amin, di ba? The fact that we're doing this Q&A is because of Tonette's willingness to share our works to people. So, itong punong sinehan na to for a film like ours, it just warms my heart kasi you're making it known or felt to us filmmakers na, hala, naiyak ako, that our stories matter at pwede siyang, di ba, on a rainy day, you spend 2 hours, di ba, trying to understand or like to get a glimpse of our story. And for us, yun na yun, no, Tonette, parang that's all that matters, that people are sitting. And with the Pact Cinema, iba yung feeling na parang we are sharing this moment with a bunch of people. So, yon. So as a thank you to the mga ka-MS of the world, we brought postcards as well. So mamimigay si Tonette, ako, si Miguel sa labas.
Mali pa rin. Tapos,
huwag niyo sunugin. So it's a very cute postcard naman. Please post it. I think it helps a lot to post it on your feeds, on your stories. Kahit di nyo nagustuhan, i-post nyo pa rin. To say that we're still showing, thank you to the Ayala Cinemas that will carry us for a second week. Second week din kami sa Isetan at sa Santa Lucia. Mabuhay ang Kabatingan! I love you all. Thank you so much.
thank you everyone.
Thank you,
And
Tonette.
also, for an R18 film, to do this good sa theatrical run, sobrang hirap. So,
Grabe.
kaya sobrang inspired ang mga Filipino filmmakers dahil finally, we have a Filipino audience supporting us.
Yes! Parte kayo nun, guys. Sobrang salamat.
For
Picture
that,
tayo.
mag-video tayo ng now on its second week.
Ayan!